Hey ninjas, welcome back. In Lesson 1, we learned how to print messages using print and println. Today, we're leveling up. Let's learn about variables and data types in JavaScript. Now, if you're just starting out, you might be thinking, what exactly are variables and data types? By the end of this lesson, you'll be comfortable with both. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. So, let's get started. A variable in JavaScript is like a small storage space where you store something inside, such as a number, some text, or even a true/false value, and use it whenever you need it. In JavaScript, we usually create variables with let or constant. Sometimes you will see var, but it is old school and less recommended. So, let's start with let. With let, you can change the value later. For example, first the value is blue, and then I change it to green. That's what let is for. Now, when you use const, it means the value will stay the same forever. You can't change it once it's set. With variables, you can store user input, perform calculations, and make your programs interactive. Now, let's talk about data types, the type of information a variable holds. The main data types are string, text, wrapped in quotes; number, numeric values; boolean, only true or false; undefined, a variable that has been declared but not yet assigned a value; null, explicitly empty, like saying there's nothing here. You can check what type of value a variable holds using typeof. Notice how each type prints as string, number, or boolean. This is super helpful when debugging or when we want to make decisions based on the type of data. Now it's your turn. Open javascriptninjas.com and solve these exercises using print and println. Take your time, type carefully, change values, combine strings, try new numbers. This is how you learn faster. Before we finish, let's quickly recap what we learned today. Variables are containers for storing information. Let allows the value to change, but with const, the value stays the same. JavaScript works with different data types such as string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. Use typeof to check types. Next, in Lesson 3, we'll dive into operators and expressions to make our variables do even more exciting things. See you in the next lesson.